Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. The guy came speeding up from behind me. He was clearly trying to jump the line and gain a few car lanes. Don't know what goes through a brain that says that this good planning
Don't you dare! Holy shit! Okay, don't cause an actual car accident yourself. Holy shit, I can't believe they just tried that. Oh my god.
This is just a typical week in Houston, Texas. Terrible drivers.
Get off the fucking bridge!
A driver skipped the acceleration lane and pulled straight into the highway in front of me. The car disappeared under the hood, totally invisible from the driver's seat.
Nice job, asshole. Why are you stopping for a green light? What are you doing?
Okay. Start emergency deal.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. This dude pulled out in front of me. I should have laid on the horn.
Fucking fun!
The white car fled, but they were caught a few days later. They had a revoked license. The pickup truck wasn't paying attention and rear-ended the car in front of them. Route 21 South in Massillon, Ohio. They make a right from the left lane in front of a truck on a wet roadway.
Right.
And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. See what happens when you try to take the exit at last minute. Always plan your trip. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.